Welcome back to the channel, Hobbyist Artist here. Today we're drawing Muzan Kibutsuji, the powerful and mysterious antagonist from Demon Slayer. This character has a very refined, elegant yet dangerous appearance, so capturing his expression is key to making the sketch come alive. We begin with the basic head structure. Muzan usually has a soft, symmetrical face, so I start with an oval shape and lightly mark the eye line and center line. Keeping these proportions clean will make the final portrait look accurate to the anime style. Next, we move to the eyes, the most important part of Muzan's design. His eyes are narrow, sharp, and intense, often showing a cold, emotionless expression. Start by sketching the upper eyelid with a slightly downward angle. Add the iris and pupil, but keep them small to maintain that intimidating look. Small shadows around the eyes give him a more realistic presence. Now, I work on the eyebrows. Muzan's eyebrows are thin, but have a strong shape. A slightly arched angle adds to his sinister charm. Take your time to curve and taper them naturally. Once the eyes are complete, I sketch the nose and lips. Muzan's nose bridge is straight, and the tip is soft. Avoid drawing harsh lines. For the lips, keep them slim and calm, almost expressionless. His emotion is quiet, composed, but deadly. Now it's time for the hat. One of Muzan's most iconic features. I start with a wide brim and make sure it sits naturally on the head. Add the curve and perspective lightly before darkening the edges. Next, we draw the curly hair peeking from under the hat. Use curved lines that taper at the ends to give his hair volume and smooth flow. For the clothing, Muzan often wears a classic suit with a patterned tie or shirt. Add clean lines to show the collar, folds, and lapels. These details give a polished and elegant look. Now comes the shading phase. Begin by deepening the shadows under the hat brim. To create dramatic lighting, shade beneath the chin to add depth. For the eyes, darken the irises and add a small highlight to make them intense. Use soft shading on the cheekbones and around the forehead to give structure without losing the anime feel. Finish by refining the hat texture, adding contrast to the hair, and enhancing the clothing shadows. The final touches bring Muzan's cold, dominant energy to life. And that completes the drawing. If you enjoyed this Demon Slayer artwork, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment which Demon Slayer character I should draw next. Tanjiro, Nezuko, Rengoku, or Akaza.